Suchita. Welcome to Little Us of India. Today I want to tell you a story about a little elephant, how he learned to say sorry. Once there was a little elephant playing near the river. He splashed water everywhere and accidentally he splashed his friend, a little rabbit. Oh no, the rabbit got all wet and look it's Elephant thought, I didn't mean to upset with my friend. I should say sorry. He went to the rabbit and said, I'm really sorry for splashing you. A rabbit smiled and said, it's okay, I forgive you. Both felt happy. See, saying sorry doesn't take much, but it can make someone really happy. Can you say sorry today, just like a little elephant? I hope you like the story. I will come again with another story. Bye bye. This is Sujita from Little Opinion.